This time, I'd like to introduce Dr. James Cunner, President of the Southern Illinois University School of Medicine Alumni Society, who will present the Distinguished Alumna Award.
Good afternoon. It is my pleasure to introduce the 2015 Southern Illinois University School of Medicine Distinguished Alumni Award recipient, Dr. Mary Jo Gorman. She received her Bachelor of Arts degree in Chemistry and Biology from St. Louis University in 1981, her medical degree from SIU in 1984, and her Master's in Business Administration in 1996 from Washington University in St. Louis, Missouri. She is board certified in both critical care and internal medicine. Dr. Gorman's entrepreneurial spirit has led her to establish a number of healthcare-related companies, starting in 1991 with Critical Care Services, a group which provided 24/7 intensivist physician services to 2 community hospitals in the St. Louis area. While earning her MBA, she began writing her business plan on the rising field of hospitalist medicine, founding Inpatient Care Group in 1996, which provided inpatient physician services to primary care physicians in hospitals. Inpatient Care Group then merged with IPC, the hospitalist group, with Dr. Gorman subsequently becoming Chief Medical Officer and Vice President of Medical Affairs. Under her guidance, IPC grew to over 400 physicians, and today, IPC has approximately 2,500 hospitalist physicians in 28 states, providing inpatient care in over 1,900 medical facilities. In 2006, after her tenure at IPC, Dr. Gorman founded Advanced Care ICU, the nation's first and largest tele-ICU provider. Armed with the vision of developing a technology-based solution to connect board-certified intensivists and nurses with critical care teams in hospitals, Dr. Gorman has changed the way critical care medicine is practiced. Since its founding, her teams have cared for more than 100,000 patients at over 40 hospitals, providing round-the-clock coverage to ensure that urgent medical issues are addressed immediately. In addition to her achievements in medicine, Dr. Gorman serves as Secretary of the Board of St. Louis-based Marion Middle School, which serves adolescent girls of all religious, racial, and ethnic backgrounds. Its mission is to break the cycle of poverty by fostering physical and social development, thus preparing their students for successful futures. To say Dr. Gorman's storied career has been cutting edge is a serious understatement. She's a true innovator and pioneer, having not just vision to identify glaring needs in medicine, but the creativity and drive to design and create solutions, utilizing technologies to bring physicians and nurses closer to the patients who are most at need. It is a distinct privilege and my honor to present to you the 2015 Southern Illinois University School of Medicine Distinguished Alumni Award to Mary Jo Gorman.
Wait for pictures?
I think you can set it back.
Want it over there? Should we do? Okay. Thank you very much for that very nice introduction. But mostly, thank you for asking me to think about where I've been since I was in your chair many years ago. And I want to start what I thought about when I was reflecting on this. If you think about a time of night, like 2 a.m., it's very dark and it's quiet in most parts of the country, except in the intensive care units around the country. And there's a lot happening in those intensive care units. The nursing staff is alone with some of this country's sickest patients. And if the patient takes a turn for the worse, or the family has a question, help is not at hand. This is why I started Advanced ICU Care. This is a gap in care that we are very proud to fill. We feel we are helping to improve patient care by delivering a 24-hour-a-day intensive care solution to hospitals nationwide. From an early age, I dreamed of becoming a doctor. And being accepted to SIU School of Medicine was the start of a career journey that I could not have anticipated. You may not know this, but SIU focuses on a unique curriculum around problem solving. And that training and problem solving has led me to try to continue to solve problems that I see in healthcare time after time. I've been able to combine my medical knowledge with my business knowledge to create companies that positively impact lives every day. As my little clinical story illustrates, there's a shortage of ICU expertise, and our use of sophisticated video conferencing delivers that specialty where they're needed all around the country. We combine technology with our great clinical team so that we could make a difference for patients and families. We have actually been able to reduce the mortality in the intensive care units by 40%. We have cared for thousands of patients since we began in 2006, and our interventions have helped countless families keep their loved ones in their lives. I want to thank SIU School of Medicine for recognizing our work and the difference that we are making in people's lives. I, of course, have to thank my wonderful parents who are here, who gave me a great start by emphasizing the pursuit of learning, and as your parents have done, supported you through your journeys in education. I also want to thank all my teachers who led me to new knowledge, helped me learn how to solve problems and apply those. And thank you very much for this recognition.